There was a time when I lost everything: my business, my home, my family. I have to sleep in my car for months just to survive. And I still had six young children depending on me. Most people would have given up. I didn't. Because Wing Chun saved my life. This is not a motivation story from a book. This is my real life. I don't share this for sympathy. I share it because many of you are struggling right now, financially, emotionally, mentally. I want you to know something very important. Strength can be rebuilt even when everything is taken from you. I have trained Wing Chun for over 50 years. I've taught students all over the world. I protect the people as a bodyguard. I live through real pressure, not theory. But the hardest fight of my life was not in the street and not in the training hall. It was when I lost my family, my home, my stability, and I still had to survive. Before you trust your change punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your change punch fail you? The links below, pinned below. When my business collapsed, everything went with it. No income, no home, no safety. I slept in my car for months, not knowing where the next meal would come from. At the same time, my children were still very young, six of them. Then came the hardest pain. I was stopped from seeing my children. Years passed, no birthdays, no hugs, no voices. That pain nearly broke me. When people lose money, they panic. When they lose family, they break. When they lose identity, they collapse. Many people turn to alcohol. Some turn to anger. Some simply give up. I didn't have that option. I had children to survive for, even if I couldn't see them. Wing Chun didn't just train my body, it trained my mind. Every day I trained even when I had nothing: structure, breathing, balance. Wing Chun taught me stay rooted when pressure comes, relax under stress, move forward when trapped. Protect your center line, protect your center physically and mentally. Training gave me routine when life was chaos, discipline when emotions were out of control, strength when I felt empty. Wing Chun is not about fighting people, it's about not breaking under pressure. Let me share with you the Wing Chun breathing exercise that helped me stay strong in my most difficult time. First, we need to release any stress from our body. So I want you to breathe into your nose, and I really want you to shout out with a like sound, ha, to help you to get rid of any stress from your body. We just do it 5 times to start with. Ready? Breathe in, ha, one. Breathe in, ha, two. Breathe in, ha, three. Breathe in, ha, four. Breathe in, ha, five. I want you to do it one more time, but this time do it from your heart and soul and really want to get rid of all this stress from your body. And just follow along with me. Ready? Breathe into your nose and let it go. Ha! One. Breathe in again. Ha! Two. Breathe in. Ha! Three. Breathe in. Ha! Four. Breathe in. Ha! Let's do one more time. Breathe in again. Ha! Two. Breathe in. Ha! Three. Breathe in. Ha! Four. Breathe in. Ha! Five. Breathe in. Ha! And relax. Now, this time, I want you to shake your hand forward and backward like that. And just follow me. This is a short ha. Breathe in. Ha. Ha. That's one, right? Breathe in. Ha. Ha. Two. Breathe in. Ha. Ha. Three. Breathe in. Ha. Ha. Four. This is the last one. We're going to do it longer. As long as we can, right? Just follow along with me. Breathe in. And ready, go for it. Ha! And out. Ha! Good. Now, just breathe in and breathe out through your nose normally. And out. Two. And out three. In. And out four. In. And out five. Now place your right palm on the center of your chest where your heart is. Left palm to cover your right hand. This will help you to be more connected with your heart. Close your eyes and just follow along with me. Breathe into your nose and breathe out 1. Breathe in and breathe out 2. Breathe in and breathe out 3. Breathe in and breathe out 4. Breathe in and breathe out 5. Breathe in again and breathe out 1. Breathe in and breathe out 2. Breathe in and breathe out 3. Breathe in and breathe out 4. Breathe in and breathe out 5. Breathe in again and breathe out 1. Before you trust your change punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your change punch fail you? The links below, pinned below. Breathe in and breathe out 2. Breathe in and breathe out 3. Breathe in and breathe out 4. Breathe in and breathe out 5. Breathe in and breathe out 1. Breathe in and breathe out 2. Breathe in and breathe out 3. Breathe in and breathe out 4. Breathe in and breathe out 5. Just one more time. Really now focus on it in your breathing. So focus, breathe into your nose and breathe out 1. Breathe in and breathe out 2. Breathe in and breathe out 3. Breathe in and breathe out 4. Breathe in and breathe out 5. Take a deep breath in your nose. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently breathe out through your nose. Stay where you are. Give yourself 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently open your eyes and relax. When I trained, I wasn't escaping reality. I was rebuilding myself. Slowly, my mind became calm again. My body became strong again. My spirit returned. Step by step, I stood back up. Losing everything doesn't mean you are finished. It means you are being tested. What saved me was not luck. It was discipline, structure, and belief. Wing Chun didn't give me money. It gave me strength to rebuild. If you're struggling right now, financially, emotionally, or mentally, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not weak. You are just under pressure. And when trained correctly, creates strength. This is why I still teach Wing Chun today. And not just for fighting, but for life. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I will show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.